Literally, I'm a chef. Happy Vlogmas Day 8. Okay, just posted Christmas Day 7, but guys, I was looking on my YouTube and I hit 88K! I'm so happy. I love you guys so much. Cheers. Thanks.
Want your tea right now?
Yeah. No.
Later?
Yeah. Look at my husband wearing a wife beater.
Better be careful.
Okay, I've mentioned this to you guys a bunch of times, but I am so freaking close to being done with the Bible. Look at this. I'm on Hebrews 7 to 10 today. This is all I have left of the entire Bible for reading the entire thing in a year. So I know. I got a million questions on what my Bible study routine is, so I'm gonna do that for you guys. But if you have any specific questions, let me know so I can just answer it in all one video. But I started on December 26th of last year, and I'm gonna finish before that this year. So I'm so excited. Like, this is like literally my biggest accomplishment. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my Bible study, but feel free to ask any like specific questions. I'm gonna show you my routine and like things that I do to get started with reading the Bible, but any other specific questions, comment them down below. Update. So it is lunchtime. I'm starving. I'm gonna make some spicy shrimp Caesar wraps for lunch. Doesn't that sound so good? So I just have wraps. Me and Sam found this. It's actually gluten-free too. Nashville hot shrimp from Whole Foods, I believe. You put these in the air fryer. Oh my gosh. And then I do some romaine lettuce, Caesar dressing. This is vegan Caesar from Trader Joe's. They have the best vegan Caesar. I'm not even kidding. It tastes just like normal Caesar. And then for toppings, I like to put banana peppers on it, but I think I'm out. But I have a tomato. I have vegan parm. I like the Follow Your Life brand. And then I don't know what it has been. My pregnancy cravings have been coming in this last trimester. Like, I feel like I had aversions and only wanted bagels first trimester. Second trimester, not really cravings. I was eating normal foods. But then this trimester, I have been wanting nothing but spicy, 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 or chocolate. Like, those are like my two things I want. So I'm gonna add some volcanic pepper, smoked cayenne hot sauce on top. But back to pregnancy cravings, like, I don't know what has gotten into me. I do not eat meat at all, but Sam made wings the other day and I was like drooling. I wanted one so bad. But I don't eat chicken, I don't eat any meat, I do eat seafood. So that inspired my spicy shrimp because it's like the closest thing I'm gonna get to a wing. I literally told him, I was like, I think I'm just gonna take one of your wings and lick it. And he's like, no. Okay, that's not safe. I think meat cravings are actually normal for pregnancy. I've heard of those a bunch. And I just want to clarify, like, I have nothing against meat at all. I just honestly don't like it. Like, those chicken wings were like the first thing that I've craved that was meat in 5 years. And I know it's just because I'm pregnant. And because of the spicy factor. Like, I just have been wanting spicy, spicy, spicy. Like, I've been eating all different hot sauces on everything. But I do have a confession. So, like I said, I am dairy-free pescatarian. Basically what that means is I don't eat meat and I don't eat dairy, but I do eat like fish and stuff like that. Okay, you guys are back in the fridge for this part of the vlog. But a little confession of mine, you may have seen in my KARISSMAS intro, but I'm obsessed with these. But these contain egg. I don't know if you consider egg dairy or some people consider it a meat product. I don't know. Like, I won't go and crack an egg. I haven't eaten an actual egg, but if it's in a cupcake or a cookie, pregnancy has gotten the best of me and I've been consuming eggs. And I shouldn't even say me. It's the baby, okay? Baby eats eggs, not me. So I won't do dairy, I won't do milk or butter or cream or anything like that. I used to love all these kind of cookies when I was younger. Christmas sugar cookies that you just pop in the oven and bake. I eat them raw because they're so good. But I'm gonna chop up some romaine for my wrap. Beautiful. Chop up a tomato. Ooh, these look crispy. Found the banana peppers. And I always add a little bit of salt, pep, and nutritional yeast to my tomatoes. I love tomatoes. I know that's like an unpopular opinion for a lot of people, but I could seriously eat them like an apple. Oh my goodness, look how cute my bubbles is. Are you all snuggled up? You're so cute. If you guys missed my last vlog, I went through and showed a bunch of baby clothes, so go watch that. Nice and toasty. So I'm starving. I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna throw these in the air fryer for a couple seconds each. Okay, and now we assemble. So we have a wrap. I'm gonna add some Caesar. Oh, I forgot these shrimp have tails. So peel the tail. I'll do it 3. Eat this one. Oh my god! It's hot. Do a little lettuce, tomato, banana pepper. Oh, this looks so good. I haven't made this before. I've made like spicy chicken Caesar wraps before. They were really good, so I figured, you know, shrimp will be good. And the hot sauce. Not too much though, because this stuff is spicy. I probably should have only made one because these are kind of big, but let's taste. Literally, I'm a chef. I need to make these for Sam. Okay, wifey. Have a holly jolly Christmas. My tree is so ugly. J. Clay needs to come over and decorate it for me. Woohoo! Oh, by the way, per a couple vlogs back, if you know, you know. We're on day 3 now of being home. Why am I like this? I've seen comments saying that motherhood could possibly change me. I think I've been doing a little nesting. Not too much, but I really hope it does. I really hope I'm the type of person that wants this all cleaned up and put away the second I get home. I aspire to be that person. Woo, I am busting out of these sweatpants. Like, they don't have much time left in them. Guys, my bump is getting so big. Insert picture here of me wearing this sweatsuit when I first got it. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was chill, very simple, but I'm just getting back into routine. Honestly, super tired. Uploading videos every single day is hard when you're about to be 30 weeks pregnant. But tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment. I wanna do like a baby update. What else? Just stuff like that. Oh, by the way, passed my glucose test. Just got the results yesterday. So super happy about that because I don't know if I could have done that again. I had to give 4 vials of blood. And if I didn't pass, the lady was telling me that I would be giving blood for 3 hours on and off. Oh, I should get all of these Christmas ornaments out of here so I can start adding them to my tree. My beautiful tree. Okay, KARISSMAS day 8. It's come to a close. What is this? What is this? What? I have never heard of this in my life. Starburst Airs. I gotta try it. You know I gotta try it. Starburst Airs gummies. I'm very intrigued to see if I like these because I do not like the Nerds gummies. I know, very unpopular opinion. Everyone's obsessed with them. They just don't do it for me. All right, let's try strawberry. Tastes like fruit snacks. So good. I like regular Starburst better though. Oh, that one's good. They taste like Welch's gummies. And and chocolate. Okay, okay. And only 1 candy cane today. I guess you didn't want to overdo the candy, but a box full of candy today. I'm gonna save this because I just ate lunch and I'm full, but we gotta hide this because if Sam finds this, he will eat it. And I don't share my chocolate. Love you guys times a Billy truly, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.